I love the approach, I love the idea, and I actually want to thank everybody who's spare time to come and share it with the industry altogether. First and foremost, I'm a victim of the unending lockdown. But I am not the only one. We have a whole chain of people who are suffering much more because I am suffering. Like the letter addressed, we have the promoters, we have the bouncers, we have the waiters, we have the girlfriends, we have the boyfriends. So what I really want to advise Vanai as the entertainment fraternity is the government might be looking at us as small-scale businesses. They might be thinking we are crying poverty. We are not crying poverty, we are crying freedom. It might be a bit rude to some artists who are not at my level, but I'm supposed to be in Tanzania on the 20th, Mwanza, 21st, Dar es Salaam, and then go to Liberia, go to Monrovia, go to Freetown. We're very aware that there is the pandemic. We are very aware. But the chibuzo chembuza that I want to ask the government when the cameras are looking at me is, where is the pandemic in Chikubu? People in Chikubu are more congested than we should be congested in a show. I would request the authority to consider the fact that we are also Ugandans who deserve to earn. Example, I was dragged by Uganda Revenue Authority the other day. Amidst this lockdown, where am I supposed to get it from when my business is down? Another victim is Palaso. He thought it was a joke. They want revenue. But how are you supposed to pay revenue when you're not having a job? You know what I mean? So my kind request, I'll use this platform together with my comrades and fellow entertainers to call upon the government to understand that we can still also operate under the SOPs. If Lugogo Cricket overtakes 40,000 people, we can attend 10,000 people. Let's not stop a business. Let's provide a way that business can go through under the SOPs, like Chikubo is operating, like the taxi drivers are operating, like the borders are operating. But unfortunately, our business has been undermined, underlooked. We are creative artists. We are employers. We are bosses. They might think that we are talking, we are not poor, but we want the same freedom that was given to other businesses. The other day I was going to Casablanca to have some injera, the Eritrean food, and then I see a patrol car, and then I fear to go there. Then the man in Casablanca is losing money. What I really think, my piece of advice, I advise all of us, you can advise me too. When the government thinks we are talking because we are broke, they are not going to listen to us. But we are talking because it is a freedom. The same freedom they gave the taxi operator, the same freedom they gave the saloons, the same freedom they gave to whosoever. Churches, we talk about the same freedom. We can still operate in SOPs. But shutting out our business again is like sending us to become criminals. But my brother, 1 year, 1 year, we are spending. My bank manager was asking me, and I told him, what should I come and do to bank what? So unfortunately, I want to use my voice as a renowned artist. Very renowned. If you don't know me, it is your problem, but I know the rest know me. I am talking on behalf of the artists and the entertainment industry. We can operate under SOPs. We are not rebellious, but we beg authority to let business go on in the manner that it should go. But you understand? Saloon is equal. A lot of businesses are going on, even taxis are going on. Unless the authorities try to tell us that entertainment doesn't matter, I call you Mr. Chiwan that follow up on that. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, my name is Tess. I'm the owner of Casablanca and the chairman of Legit. Bar Entertainment and Restaurant Owners Association in Uganda.
Tell us about today's meeting.
Today's meeting is just it was organized by this marketing, the promoters, the DJs, and the event managers and others. It's just all together. They're blaming the government. They're requesting the government to open the entertainment center. I mean the bars and restaurants and nightclubs.
It's close to about 1 year.
Yeah, 1 year. Yes.
To the lockdown, but the other sectors have been open.
Yes.
They have revised means of how they can operate. Can our industry, can the bar owners, can the waiters, and the party animals abide by the SOPs that will be set by the government?
Yeah, for me, we understand the government situation because the government cares about everyone, about the whole of 42 million of Uganda, and we understand that one. But for us also, the owners of bar, we need to follow up the guidelines of the government. We draft our own guidelines, we have SOPs, but if the government has, even the task force has their own, we can't implement that one. We have to train our bars tenders, we have to train our managers, we have to train about waiter and waitresses, all, how to follow the SOPs and the guidelines. It's for our own sake, it's for our own sake. It's not only the government or the president to think about the COVID. Everyone has to think about the COVID because COVID is a killer. But at this very moment, all activities are open. Gym, like sauna, like steam, like massage, like church, and some weddings. So everything is okay. It's only bars.
But are these SOPs selective? Because we are aware of some bars that do operate.
No, what I'm saying now, the SOPs, it might be a bit hard to implement it in the bar because, sometimes when someone is drunk, it's a bit difficult to control it. But at this very moment, I guarantee you all the bars are ready to control the SOPs for their own sake. See, for their own. Because now, when you just leave a drunkard, if anyone, first of all, you need to have a very serious management system for this COVID. Sanitizers, temperature guns, and if the temperature is high, you have to report. Yes, no, not only take back, you have to report also. Someone came with 39 degree. What do you do? As the bar owner, you have the responsibility. So that's what we are saying now. The people will be ready to follow up the SOPs. The owner of the bars, all of them, they are responsible, and we have been trying to organize a meeting with all the bars.
As a bar owner, Casablanca, one of the best night spots in town, can you quantify the loss that you've made within 1 year?
Wow. It's a lot. It's not only Casablanca. All bars, especially the one in Kololo. I can give you an average of in Kololo. The minimum rent is about $6,000. So 6 times 12 is $72,000. Only this one. Then security maybe in the whole year $10,000, and then electricity, and then water, and so the loss is a lot. And at the end of the day, even if continue closing like this, the landlord also is losing also. The landlord also losing. Some landlords, they have also loan from the bank. From the bank. You get me? So it's a total loss, not only Casablanca. The landlord is losing, my DJs are losing, my promoters are losing, the waiters are losing. Now we just operate in Casablanca with 40%. From 70 workers, only 20 workers. We have 20 workers only.